Daily routine. Step 1. Starting line. I would like to tell you about my daily routine. Step 2. Morning. I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. First, I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I get ready and have my breakfast. Step 3. Study, work. I go to school at 8 o'clock. I attend my classes and study different subjects. I go to work in the morning. I spend my time teaching or working in the office. Step 4. Afternoon. In the afternoon, I have my lunch and take some rest. Step 5. Patis. In the evening, I play outside. I go for a walk. I spend time with my family. Step 6. Night. At night, I have dinner with my family. After that, I read for some time and then I go to sleep at 10 o'clock. Step 7. Closing line. This is my daily routine. Thank you tip. इसको आप अपने रियल लाइफ के हिसाब से थोड़ा एडिट कर सकते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, अगर आप लेट उठते हैं या इवनिंग में यूट्यूब देखते हैं. नेचुरल बोलना ही सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट है.